Now let me talk about short-circuit evaluation. Let's remove this from here and go to the console of the web browser. And here let's do following. Let's print to the console ABC, like that. We actually call log method of the console object. We will get back to functions a bit later in this crash course. For now, I want to demonstrate to you what actually this function returns us back. If I press enter now, I'll get actually ABC that was printed in the console. It is some action that was performed inside of the log method. And also this function returned as value. It is undefined, because console log always returns undefined. Now let me do following. Let me type 0 and use AND operator and type console.log ABC, like this. Press enter and I get 0. AND operator recap returns first falsy value, and 0 is falsy value. That's why here we get it as a result of this expression. But if I change this expression to following, instead of 0 will be, for example, 1 and press enter, I'll get ABC in the console, and I get undefined as a result of this expression. So what is the difference between this expression and this expression? In this case, we didn't see ABC here in the console. But after this expression, we saw ABC in the console. It means that in the AND operator, this second expression was not evaluated, because it found out that there is first falsy value, and it immediately returned it as a result of this expression. And that is called short-circuit evaluation. It does not go further after it already knows result of the expression. In this example, this is truthy value, and that's why AND operator evaluated second expression, this one. And actually it is a call to the function that returned undefined, and that's why this result, this value, was returned back as a result of this expression. And also because log function was executed, we see ABC here in the console of the web browser. And this feature of JavaScript is used, for example, in React front-end framework when there is need to render some parts of the user interface, for example, button, depending on some other conditions. For example, if specific checkbox is checked in the user interface, then we show button. If it is not checked, then we don't show it. And we could use such expression like you see here in this example. Of course, here you see simplified example. In React it looks a bit complicated, but logic is the same. Here we see short-circuit evaluation. Same applies to OR operator. And if I clear our terminal here and enter, for example, 1 or console.log ABC, I'll get 1, because OR operator returns first truthy value, and all other operands are not evaluated. But if here at the beginning will be 0, or let's say empty string, I'll see ABC here in the console. It means that log function was called, and here as a result of this expression I see undefined. It is actually a result that was returned back by log function. It always returns undefined. It is also short-circuit evaluation example. As soon as we found result of the expression, there is no need to evaluate all other parts, for example this one.